What's going on, everybody? I'm back again with another video. What's happening? Today we got an unboxing from Prostylingtools. I'm gonna just jump right into it. I know what it is, but I'm just excited to show y'all. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Got my little utility knife. Honestly, this store has been coming in clutch. I got my barber bag from there, the Babyless Pro travel bag, and honestly, I think that's pretty cool. Ooh, that's already looking fire. All right, what else we got? So, I think all my stuff came in. Ooh. Yeah, everything came in. All right, cool. Let me just open it up, get right into it. So I was looking for a comb to do like a pompadour, and I found this online. Honestly, wasn't that expensive. I'm gonna try it soon. I'm gonna try to use it. But this is the Babyless Barberology. I forgot what the comb is called, but I'm using it for pompadours and just to style the hair a little easier. And it's pretty cool. It's silver. It's shiny, man. Thing is really hitting. See my reflection in this. You definitely go cop, bro. I think I paid like $7 for this. Worth it. I'm very excited for this. I am doing an upgrade. I read online that the JRL sometimes it's harder to get out that bald line, but apparently with the Faber blade from Stylecraft, it's easier. So I'm gonna do a video on how to install a Faber blade on a JRL. And we're just gonna go from there. I mean, it should be self-explanatory, but I don't see one on YouTube yet, so it's better to be innovative, you know. And then I've been waiting for these for a while. Wyeth part combs. I got the 332 and a 336. I got them in white just because I'm able to see the hair a lot easier, even when I'm parting or whatever the case. You see right there, you got a parting section for each of them. But I'm also gonna think about getting some guards in clear or white, just so I could see the hair easier. The black guards kind of makes it harder sometimes. So yeah, this is my unboxing for today from Prostylingtools. We got the Babyless comb for the pompadour. We got a brand new Faber blade. This is the redesigned one. I think there's something wrong with the first one. I don't remember. And we got some Wyeth part combs. In total, I think I paid like $50 to $60, which these combs alone go for like 20 bucks. These usually go for like 35, 40. So there alone is a pretty good deal. And then I paid like $7 for this. So definitely go check them out. I'm going to put the link in the bio. Let me know what you guys think. I'm also going to do a video on these like right away. So I'll see you after this.